Hey everyone, it's Sunday, February 3rd? 2nd, February 2nd. And we're up at the farm. We raced a snowstorm up here yesterday. Left the city, hit the snow about halfway up. Got here before it really started to snow. Then we moved Nora over to her new house in town. And it really came down last night. So we have about maybe close to 6 certainly inches here. This is the first major storm of the season. We had a couple of 2s and a 6, but this is a bit bigger than all of that. But it's good. We're way behind in snow, and so it's fun to get some snow here, and we're going to get the plow started. We also have a fire pit to burn, so we're going to get that going here. But let me turn you around and give you just a look at what we've got going here. So here we are. We'll get the John Deere fired and get the snow off of it. The dogs are loving it. Sonny's over here just looking out over the fields. Did a little bit of shoveling here at the front walk. So got to get the chickens out here this morning. So fun morning. Looks like the snow has cleared. It's still very gloomy, overcast, so we might get some more snow today. Don't know. Starlink's working well. The heater on it does a great job dispersing this stuff. So I'm going to get the plow started and we'll get going. I'm first going to plow around the fire, the burn pit. Well, it's not a pit, it's a pile. And then we're going to switch over and start the burn before we plow the rest of it. So stay with us. Thanks for coming.
Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right, but I really know nothing about you need me to say. Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that I better do something. You are no good to me, but still.
All right, let's go ahead and get some coffee while this thing warms up.
Step by step, I've walked 100 miles, and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I find my way and get off of this lonely road.
Can you hear me? Tell me, can you hear me? I've been calling out for help, still don't see nobody near me. I'm down and almost underground and so deep in the valley, I can't even tell you which way is the mountain. God, the only word I got, I could probably plant a garden, all this dirt I got. Trail of broken hearts behind me from the hurt I bought. Sometimes I really start to wonder if I deserve my spot. Cause I'm just a man who's got blood all on his hands. But does a humble sinner still deserve a chance? Hey, say a prayer for me, I think you in
Step by
advance.
step, I walked 100 miles, and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and
It appears there's too much snow. The wood is wet. It may start now, it may not, I don't know. Okay, we're going to bring this to an end. Thanks for coming along. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.